What's up, y'all, man? If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe. We are on vacation in Florida. We are currently at where we at? Volcano Bay.
Wet, you gonna be wet?
Okay, we at Volcano Bay, and what are we supposed to be saying? So we just finished eating. We only been on what, like 2 slides? I like the blue one more than I like the green one. I don't remember what they was called, but you get in those little like floaty things together, and it's like throw you and all that stuff. But yeah, we just chilling. We in the lazy river right now, and our kids, we don't know where the kids at. I think they at the wave pool. The kids at the wave pool, so they out here doing their thing, and we just relaxing and having some family fun. We went and ate last night at Bahama Breeze. I'm sorry, y'all, it's weird. I gotta ask people around me. But we went and ate at Bahama Breeze last night. The kids got in the pool before we all went to sleep. And once we leave here, ain't no telling what we're gonna do. So just sit back and enjoy this. I got this little boy staring at me over here. Sit back and I'm finna get wet again. You bitch ass nigga. Sit back and enjoy this fun. We're finna go up under this waterfall. I'm finna put my phone up. We out. The last place we left them at was the lazy river, and they don't even know that it's a whole nother lazy river to get in. So we're going to find them so we can show them,
because they too lazy to walk and see the other places.
They don't want to walk and see the other stuff. They just want to stay in this lazy river in the wave pool.
What you call it?
Let's see. We were supposed to have a DJI.
There they go.
Look at them. Look at them. Look at them.
Sean, there's a whole nother lazy.
It's another lazy river.
What's the other side?
But yeah, they too lazy to find. They don't want to walk the park and see what else there is to do. So whatever. Teenagers for sure. But we've been having a good time. It's hot out here. It's definitely hot out here.
We ate some little
pizza boats.
They were longboard pizza.
Yeah, longboard.
So they long as hell. And we just ate some like little chicken fritter things. They were pretty good. But this heat got me tired.
Other than that, y'all, we ain't doing nothing. But I'm gonna try to get some more footage for y'all. We were supposed to get a camera, like an action camera, and we was gonna be able to record the rides and everything. But we ended up not getting it. So what you got, what you get is what we can get without messing our phones up. Right here.
It's kind of calm right now.
Yeah.
If you need to, I'm about to say,
Huh?
I was saying, are you still holding my hand?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, float on my back now with a life jacket on.
Alright, y'all, we on the aggressive lazy river, and this thing is gonna carry us on out. This is probably the best thing we done got on.
Yeah, I like this even better than the water slide. I like this better than the water slide.
Yeah, for sure.
You have to be in here.
Yeah.
Look out. Island approaching. I started flipping over. No. Now I done floated back forward. Maybe not.
Oh yeah, it was a big wave right there.
Yeah, we got it.
And then it came.
I just want to see inside the cave.
Yeah, we're playing dominoes. What's our score? What we going to? Gonna go to 200 for a quick game?
Yeah.
200 for a quick
200.
game?
You think 200 gonna be quick?
I mean, if we ain't, then it's on.
I know you see me picking up these dominoes.
Keep on picking. Thanks, Nico.
You went right there?
Yep.
Dominoes. Game over.
Okay, you got me that time.
Game over. That is redemption.
We left the park earlier, Jazz. We left the park about 5.
Mm-hmm.
We left the park like 5 o'clock on the dot. And we got stuck in traffic for an hour.
Too long.
Only take us 45 minutes to get back this way. But we was in traffic for an hour. So it took us 2 hours to even get back here. And that includes picking up food. We ate some Raisin Canes. We've been chilling ever since, but now everybody's going to bed. We down here playing a game of dominoes. Who y'all think better, Canes or dominoes? Canes or Zaxby's? Who y'all think better? I'm going for Zaxby's. Canes is good, I eat it, but if I gotta choose, I'm going for Zaxby's off rip.
I like Cane's, but I like buffalo chicken fingers and stuff, and I don't get that at Cane's. But I don't mind eating Cane's because I never get it. We always eat Zaxby's. Not always, but we eat a lot.
Yeah, we eat Zaxby's a lot. To the people, I figure out my next move.
Y'all should y'all. I don't know what I'm saying. My brain is fried. The reason we are just now
Dominoes.
getting down here after everybody else is ready to go to bed is because I had Spanish homework.
Somebody had homework. Somebody decided to take summer classes.
Yeah. I did do that.
Somebody took summer classes.
Like a cray.
And now she looking crazy. Dominoes out. Now she looking crazy. Doing homework on vacation.
Should have rethought that thing.
Should have rethought that thing. But we had a good time at Volcano Bay. It was cool. It was fun.
Yeah.
If I had to choose between that and roller coasters, though, I'm going for roller coasters every time.
Period. I'm trying to count. I can't count top of y'all at the same time.
She adding up my totals. Like we mentioned earlier, we didn't have the proper camera to be trying to record at the water park. I wish we did, because we would have got a lot more footage. We would have actually took y'all on the water slides that we did go on. But yeah, that's all. Like, what we could get is what we could get without, you know, putting our phones in jeopardy. Which I wasn't too worried about my phone, because, child, my phone done been in the ocean. I had my phone in my pocket the last time we went to the beach. Forgot it was in my pocket. Got out the ocean looking for my phone, and it was in my pocket. And it's been working fine ever since. So I wasn't too worried about my phone. But still, that don't mean I wanted to just submerge it in water to get content. You know what I'm saying? Or risk like dropping it on a water slide or some shit like that. Like, I wasn't finna do that. So, but yeah, man, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. What you rate Volcano Bay out of 10?
I mean, I haven't been to a lot of water parks because
We like roller coasters.
I'm a roller coaster person, but I will give it a smooth 7 out of 10.
7? I was thinking an 8. I'll give it 8.
I give it a 7 because we really didn't ride everything.
Yeah, we didn't do a lot. We don't really do water slides.
We got
though, like
2 water slides. Then our kids was hungry. Had to feed them. Then we got in the water way pool. We did one lazy river and then one called an aggressive lazy river.
Yeah.
We did that like 6 times because it was fun. By the time that came, ready to go.
Yeah. But if we would ask the kids what they rated, but one of them sleep. The other one might be asleep. And Kennedy, I don't know what Kennedy, I think she was watching TV when I checked on her. So yeah, everybody's just chilling, man. But we're gonna catch y'all in the morning on the next one. We love y'all. We appreciate y'all. We out.